Hello everyone and welcome to the social media sales tool video. My name is Abibola Joe, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create marketing content. So basically, customer feedback posts are just posts that has, probably screen munch or a copy of an email or a chat or, a video or whatever it is that, sends a positive, signal about your business. Have it, documented and posted on your social media platform. So, for example, I have one here. Okay, yes. So I could just have this, posted on my social media account, and people would see it, and they would, they would try to see what exactly is going on in the post, and you see the people saying good stuff about you, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And also, if you have comments or concerns, please just drop them in the comment section and I will get back to you. And also, I've dropped the link to the social media sales tool video course in the description section. So if you want to get a copy, just click on the link and it's all yours. Thank you very much, and bye bye.